Hi everyone, welcome back to my precious garden. So today it's going to be a very hot day, but today I'm going to refresh one of the big pots I have near my front door. It really needs it. So I'm going to first show you all the new plants that I bought and I'm going to take you with me. So let's get started. So first of all, I must tell you that I had a nice offer at my garden center. I had like buy two and get one more free. So first of all, this is going to be the centerpiece, and this is a beautiful, beautiful salvia, as you can see. It's a small one, but I'm gonna, sorry, the crowds are there. So it's a small one, but it's gonna be crowded with other plants around, so no problem. It's just for the season. And then I have this beautiful and dainty lobelia in white. Then I have this verbena, which is pink and white. And then I have this million bells. And lastly, I have this scaevola in white. And maybe if I have time and it's not too hot, I'll do a few other pots because I have 3 more plants. So first of all, I'm rehydrating the plants in this water tank. So they're going to be more able to resist the drought, the very hot temperatures we are starting to have here. See, this is all the air bubbles in the pots, and normally you want to do this until all the air bubbles have stopped. So usually I have to wait a bit before leaving them by themselves, otherwise they float like this, see? But the second one is okay now. Oh, and while I wait for my plants to be rehydrated, just look at this beauty. So this one is septodile, and there it's Olea. This is the pot that needs my help, obviously. So we have this beautiful Diesia inside that I need to take out, move, maybe divide. These are daffodils bulbs finishing, and I've done this so they are less visible and less a mess, but still. So I might just take them out and leave them dry out in a pot and finish their life cycle, and then we'll be able to refresh the pot. So let's see. And there are some old plants in there too, dead. Some old annuals, like this one. Can't remember what it was, but I'm taking it out. And it seems I have some Jessia that came with. Maybe I have some roots. Oh, it was, no, this one is dead. And this one is some Diesia, and I have some roots. So this one I'm gonna put in water right now, so I'm gonna be able to root it back somewhere. It is so hot already. It's not something fun to do when it's so hot, but I'm gonna go slowly. Even the pot is too hot to touch, and it's not metal. That's why I don't have metal pots in other than the shady position. So this one is dead completely. There's something that is still green, but there's no leaves, so I'm gonna take it out. Oh, what was this? I'm not even sure what it was. Okay, so that's the Jessia part of it. And now I have a second part. So that's just great because it came back from last year. And now I have more than one. Okay, so now it seems that I only have daffodil bulbs to take out, if I can manage to dig enough in there and not break them, maybe. Let's see. Yeah. So, yeah. See, and I'm gonna put these in a sunny position to finish, bring the green energy back into the bulbs, but I think I'm gonna protect from the sun this part. So in the pot for the moment, especially with the heat wave we're going through, I need to protect them a bit, I believe. So 1, 2, didn't find this. Okay. But they've been drying there for weeks now, so I'm sure even this one would be good enough. And my experience with this type of pot, where you can put your hand inside the side, is not good, because that's a very nice hiding place for snails. Just in case you're interested in those and you have some snails, or maybe you have to, go and put your hand every day and find them. Okay, so I'm gonna finish doing this before coming back for planting session. So now this pot is full of white lion daffodils, so that's nice. I'm gonna be happy to find them in autumn. And I guess there are like 2 or 3 still in there, but never mind. And I'm gonna add some compost on top. Nice. And now it's planting time. I'm gonna start with the middle one, the salvia. So it comes out easily now that it has been rehydrated. Not too many roots to mess with, so I'm gonna leave it like this. In the center, how nice it's gonna look. Lovely. So that's one. So I'm gonna add the lobelia because it's trailing. I think I want to see it there, because when I come home I do like this, not into the pot obviously, into the door, but you get what I meant. A bit more of a root system, but also the roots on this one are white and the other ones were not. So I'm gonna try and put it the way it wanted to trail, like this. Okay. That's nice. And then let's see which one goes where. Like this and like this. Let's see with the last one. What do we think? I think I'm gonna do the opposite. Like this. Yeah, this is gonna look nice. Either way, it's gonna look nice. So let's do this one. Like this. I might have to add some more compost. I hope the phone isn't overheating, because otherwise I won't know if it's still filming or not. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more compost, so I'm gonna lift a bit this one so it doesn't get too low, like this. Okay, so I'll be back with more compost. So let's add some more compost. Anyway, the plants will love to have some nutrients in there. But as you did see, I didn't take out the old compost, and during winter I did add some horse manure. So, and there was life in there, so it's not like it needs to go to the bin or something. It's, you can reuse it, refresh it, especially if you just added the compost last year or something. It's still usable. Oh, and I think a solution for this, you know, I told you this part, you can put your hand inside the edge. If you add enough compost so that it's on top of this under edge thing, sorry, I don't have the right words, then the snail can't go inside it and hide. So that might be my solution and your solution if you have the same kind of pots and the same kind of problems. But it's a very nice looking one, so I'm not complaining. And so this one, the middle one, doesn't look like it's centered, at least from my point of view, but the pot is centered. It's just, it's gonna send new shoots from this side, I'm quite sure of it. So I'm gonna leave it that way. I'm just gonna water this in and it's gonna be done. So nice. So this is going to be it for this container. I'm going to watch it closely because of the temperatures we're going to have. Today I think it's going to be 36 Celsius and we're going to go up to 39. So we're going to go into the triple digits in Fahrenheit. So yeah, because they're new little babies, I have to be careful about this. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. And I think now I'm gonna do some other pots and maybe another video. So see you in the next one. Bye.